Yeah, hello. Today I have here this floating faucet fountain. As you can see here, the water is coming down from the faucet here and it's flowing into this bucket, but there is no way that the water is coming here up into the faucet. There's nothing connected to it. So how does this work? And yeah, today I want to show you how you can build this yourself. This is really easy. So stay tuned and check it out. So first I have here this faucet or like a spigot, and I spray painted this in copper color. And then next I have here this acrylic pipe. It's about 1/2 inch in diameter. Then next I got here this water pump. This is a really simple pump that you just place underwater. And then I have here these decorative stones. I have about 2 bags of these. And then at last I have here this metal bucket. I also spray painted that with the same color as the spigot. So I start out by cutting here this pipe to size. I am cutting this here at about 16 inches and I'm marking this here, and then I take my Dremel and I carefully cut this piece off here. I'm actually not doing a whole cut, I'm just slicing it, and then I can easily break this off. And then at the end I'm going to clean this up a little bit. This is really easy, you can do that with your fingers. Then next I'm going to take this pipe and I'm going to stick it into the faucet here as far as I can. And I'm going to mark this distance here with a piece of tape. And after I have done this, I'm going to take my Dremel again. And I'm going to cut a couple of slots here into the sides here. As you can see, I'm going to do this all around. And I'm making sure that I don't cut all the way down to the piece of tape. That will ensure that the water comes out later through these slots. And this is how this looks like after I'm done cleaning it up. Okay, so now let's have a look at the spigot here. And we want to make sure that the water, when we pump it up here, that it doesn't come out at the wrong end here at the back side. And to avoid that from happening, I'm just taking here my glue gun and I'm filling up the hole here with some of the hot glue so that the water cannot come out here anymore. And next I'm going to attach the pipe here, and I'm going to do that also with some hot glue by just putting some here into the hole. And then I have to work really quickly because the glue hardens or cools down really fast. So I'm just going to stick this in here, and then I'm making sure that there is a small gap between the spigot and the pipe here. So there has to be a gap all around, because that's where the water is going to flow down later on. If there's no gap, then it may look a little bit funny later. Yeah, and so this is how this looks so far, and you can now hold the spigot up just by holding the pipe here. And so now we can continue with the next step, and that is we are going to take here the pump. And in my case, I can just plug this pipe into the connector of the pump. That just fits perfectly. If it doesn't fit perfectly for you, you might have to use some glue. Okay, so next we're going to take the bucket here And we're going to position the pump with the pipe on the bottom of the bucket, and we make sure that the pipe is approximately right in the center of the bucket. And now I'm going to use some of these rocks here, and I'm placing them around the pipe so that those will hold the pipe in place and prevent it from falling over. And in case you want to use this fountain inside of your home, then I would suggest using some kind of plastic bucket as an insert to prevent the water from flowing out of here. And now, after filling the bucket with water, we can turn on the pump and we are already finished. So, alright, so this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, then please write something below. And don't forget to check out my other videos.